has a purpose in their life and a unique talent to give to others, and we blend this unique talent with service to others, we experience the ecstasy and exhalation of our own spirit, which is the ultimate goal of all goals. And RYB is all about clarity, everything about clearing, your mind, your goals need to be clear, and that's what we did. And in my life, I have been a trainer, a main trainer for IDQ Value Adder, a chief trainer for skillionaires.com, and I've already done my MBA. I'm a dual engineer too, and I basically was from Vishakhapatnam, and I'm now married to someone in Patna. So right now I am in Patna. All right. I've also been in, an assistant vice president in HSBC Bank in the past before I was married. And right now I am also with Lions Club International, where, I've been involved in various prominent projects which have generated a measurable impact in the society, engaged in community development, and a lot of social support. So now my dreams or my goals that I have are more inclined towards, the social causes too, which also include how I go ahead and achieve my main causes. So if you guys can see my screen, please say a yes or a thumbs up if you can.
Yes.
Great, great. Thank you so much. So my vision board is a little different. And yes, the dates part, I have my dates part on my post-its, which I posted beside, the vision board, because my vision board was full. It was completely full with all the dreams and aspirations that I have. All right. So I always feel that, as, Johan sir had mentioned, that there is endless abundance which the universe wants to give you. It's just that you need to go and ask for it, and that's what I've done. So I am connected to this endless abundance of the universe, and I've written all those things that I want to be, like responsible, smart, disciplined, whatever, in each field of my life that I am. Now, firstly, I want to be, you know, a trainer who is going ahead and training 50,000 people by the end of 5 years. And that's the reason why on the left hand side below the Lions logo, you would see there is an inspire button, which has a mic on it. So I am a speaker. Obviously, I motivate people. I teach them fluency, public speaking, personality development. And that is something which I'm going to take to the next level, because I have been doing this all along. It's just that I have now started earning through this. Before, I was doing it completely free of cost, but now I'm going ahead and starting to earn, and I want my career to move with that. So my focus of earning, 1 million by the end of 10 years is through this itself. And I am very focused that I am going to go ahead and increase my revenue through a passive income also, like how sir mentioned. I'm going to come more to that. But first, my thing that I want to give back to the society is through Lions. So if you see that there's a Lions logo of my Lions Club International, and it says kind, says brave. You need to be brave hearted, firstly, I feel, so that you can go ahead and give back to your community. I have been doing that all along, but in this pandemic, there was something which I had as my goal, especially through Lions. I was writing many requests. There were people in my own Lions Club who passed away, who were dying, and my family, it owns an oxygen plant too. And right now, I hope you understand, there's a dire need of oxygen in the society. So till night 3 o'clock, I used to be awake, answering requests, and all these things actually triggered my mind to go ahead and have a goal through Lion. My first goal is for the next 3 months. Yes, my goals are broken up into your ladder, where I have a 3 months goal, then maybe a 6 months goal, a 5 years goal, and a 10-year goal. So my 3 months goal is to ensure that my entire city, or even my entire state, Bihar, doesn't have scarcity of oxygen. So we decided it to give oxygen away for 100 rupees for one cylinder refilling at our factory, because it was getting very difficult. We were actually starting it free of cost at first, but lack of funds, lack of resources, everything was troubling us. But then we decided to put a cost to it, and yes, now I am very much, happy with the streamlining of that. It's already working. My goal is working, and it's because I was in RYB, to be really honest. My next goal was, to be a district governor in 10 years line. Yes, 5 years I'll come to the point, but 10 years I wanted to talk about this because there's something I've already achieved in that line. 10 years down the line, I want to be a district governor in Lions Club International in my district 322E. And right now, a few days back after completing RYB, I give a call to Infinity Karthik sir and tell him that, you know what, I am right now elected for the next, a term that is for 2021. I am given the role of District Chairperson Information Technology, DCIT. And that's a big role too. So when you start climbing these ladders is when you reach that goal of a district governor. So I've already started it, guys. So my goal, my vision, I'm already seeing it. It's live. And it's only because I've been able to see that vision, that goal that I want to become a district governor, maybe in the next 10 years. My 5 years goal is to open, a cancer treatment or a cancer support clinic for people who have breast cancer or pediatric cancer. That is already in line. Our club does so many activities, not only for cancer, diabetes, or other things, which are required, but this is something which I want to focus on. So I'm going to go with that. All right. So now when I talk about focus, I also need to focus on a few things like my health elements. So if you see my vision board, you have a person, who is quite flexible. She's doing yoga. I also want to get into that. Strong is sexy because yes, I really want myself to be strong first. I have a vision and my health goal to, combat my diabetes and lose 10 kilos weight. And that is in 6 months. So I have that in mind. But if you also see in the middle of the screen, you have me and my husband, where we are very happy. We are blessed. We also have a 6-year-old son. His name is Nihit. And we are very, excited about him because his career, I want him to be motivated and join the Indian Army. So my point is that not only I motivate myself, but also my son to do something for the country, because unless we don't give back, you don't receive. I feel that. All right, now life is boring without some fun, right? So my vision board also has a lot of fun in it. Obviously, as a trainer, if you see, I have also talked about that, if you see the likes, you see Facebook likes and love and, those smileys that are in the middle of the screen. They are the likes that I get for, my videos and everything. I know one of the participants asked me in the room that why are we doing these activities and how do we do it. So guys, these activities that you get from RYB are actually helping you be a good speaker. Your public speaking skills are going to be great because of this. So these likes that you see, 550, 265, 119 and 895 are my current likes. That is the photo that I've pasted. I want this to go to a next level where I get it, at least 1,000 more added. And in fact, my inspiration is, Captain Sir. So Captain Sir, thank you so much for that. I really love your videos. I just wanted to tell you that. And yeah, now coming down below, if you see, I was talking about my passive income, right? Now I get a passive income already from a FMCG marketing called as Modi Care. I get through that. But I also have in mind that I will buy a house somewhere in India where I can and rent it out and get a passive income through that. Basically, that would be, maybe a hotel or a home or whatever, but I want to rent it out and then earn a passive income. I also have some fun involved where, you see lots of good spas and you see a holiday destination where I want to go. You also see that if you come down, I drive a car, okay? But I want to have a car which I earn from my own money. So right now it's gifted by my family, but yes, I want to be worthy enough that I go ahead and drive the car myself and go on a tour of, leaving all the things that are in my mind. So if I really want to go out with my friends or family, I can just stuff it in the car and, just leave. So that is something which I want to be proactive about. And if you also see, I have a huge diamond necklace that I always wanted to achieve. I'm not very fond of jewelries. You see me also, I'm not wearing any now. But yes, I really want to achieve this because there's something in my life which has stopped me from achieving this. And I really want to possess this. This is a possession I want to have. And yes, I want to look beautiful. I want to be confident. And if you look towards the left hand side below me and my husband, just beside me and my husband's photo, you have a lot of stars who are wearing those gowns, and they are on a page 3. You see Sonam Kapoor's pictures on a page 3 magazine. So I also want to be featured in such a magazine, beautifully. So that is one of my key points that I had there. There are many other things that I had that I was not able to incorporate, but if you see the words that I've written, they trigger my mind, like being blessed, being connected, wonderful, proactive, resilient, beautiful, confident. These all boost me up. And I'm sure in every part of the life that we are in, I might have missed a few, but each time I go ahead and look at my vision board, and also I see the deadlines which are pasted on the post-its beside it, they help me achieve my goal, because I have broken my goals into small, uh, small goals, like 6 months, and then 5 years, and then 10 years. And I'm really glad that I'm also achieving it. So seriously, had I not made this vision board, I might have not even started achieving my goals. So I'm really happy, especially for my social goal. We are already working on the 3 months goal. I'm sure if it might not take me 6 months for this, but yeah, in 3 months, we should be able to complete the need of oxygen, combat this COVID situation that we are in. And I'm sure my new role is also, making ladder for my progress. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much, Vijay sir. And I want Karthik sir to please come in. He's our mentor. He's one person whom I would say is not a trainer. He's a mentor. So, people may call you a trainer. I feel, nay, that's not true. Okay.
Yeah, that is true. I'm not a trainer. That's true.
Thank
Agreed.
you.
So you were